viewers, welcome back to Ray's Way, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by. It's been a minute since I did a do-yourself video, and well, I'm going to do one today. It's on we're going to change a pump out on the Homelight Honda pressure washer. It seems to be seized. We had water but with no pressure, and it was not the little pin thing type of adjustment. So we just went all in, and let's just change the pump. It probably got burned out because you really should be using it. It shouldn't really be idling when you're using your pressure washer. So shut it off when you're not using it. Don't let it idle. It will burn out your pump. So with that being said, let's get at it. We got a Honda Homelight GVC 190 that has 3100 psi at 2.5 gallons per minute type of flow. We got a problem with the pump. We're gonna replace the pump. So let me show you what we're all about here. Okay, at this point in time, you know, obviously what we did is we removed the hose right here. We removed the high pressure hose that goes to the wand, and if you can see right here, there was no screen on there, so, but it wasn't clogged. So you definitely want to make sure you have a screen on there. And so what we do, this is a vertical pump. They do come in horizontal and or vertical depending on what your needs are. So here's the brand new pump, and it's just a three-legged horse. Okay, now you do have a key here to the pump that we'll have to throw in, and it does come with that. And also you got the pin reloader right there, the high pressure hose hookup, and then you can see right there the screen with the hose inlet that you're going to be putting on your water. And then you got the side soap port that you're going to connect to if you have that attachment. So pretty all 3 bolts. Shouldn't be that hard. You know, you want to keep it, you're going to work it like this, because if you turn it over, the same bolts that bolt your pump on also holds the engine on the frame. So you're gonna have to work this way. That way you're not trying to put your motor back on the same time you're putting your pump in. So let's get at it. Okay, for the sake of speed, just to let you know, the bolts are a 1/2 inch. Okay, so put a 1/2 inch on top, 1/2 inch underneath. We're gonna use a socket and a wrench here, of course. So we're going to take those 3 out, we'll drop it, and then we're going to make sure where the key is at for the pump, so it lines up properly when we put it back in. It's real simple type of thing. So let me just take this out here. It's going to be hard to do with holding my phone, so just bear with me. Let me take this out here for you. Viewers, I got all the bolts out, and it's hung up in there because of the, you see how it moves around? I got to pull it down. That's the key to the pump, holding that everything in. So I gotta pull this down. So as you see though, it is all disconnected. So it is just 3 bolts, 1/2 inch top and bottom, real easy. But let me drop this and get the key involved here, or dislodged. Let's go. Okay, so I dropped it down, and again, here's the key to it. Now I may just keep this in here because my new pump comes with the key, and this seems to be pretty, you know, it's a little bit used, rusted, so forth. You know, why fight it? Let's just use the new one. So now again, on the downside here, underneath, and I don't know how this is going to work with my phone here, you can feel right there's the key slot. So when we put that back in, we want to make sure that we're hitting the key. I don't know if you can see it right there, but it's on right here. So when I put that pump back in, I want to line up that key and slide it back up. And that's what we're going to do. Okay, viewers, one thing about the replacement part, like I said, taking it off, you got a 1/2 inch on the bottom and the top nut bolt. Now the replacement, and I chose to use the new bolts that came with it. They are coming. It's still got a 1/2-inch nut, lock-in washer, a nut and a locking nut with washer, and there's also a silicone sleeve that goes between them. Okay, or PVC or whatever. But the we got a number 6 metric size Allen key that we're going to be using for this. So just to let you know what you need. So I got 2 bolts in there loosely, but I'm going to put the last one in. Then I'm going to tighten everything up. And I did get the key locked into position, so the pump will drive the shaft. So, or the shaft will drive the pump. So here we go. Let me get the last bolt in and we'll tighten it down. Okay, viewers, I got it all hooked in, tightened on, connected. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the high pressure hose on. I'll put the water on, turn it on. Let's then we'll give it a test shot and make sure it works. So here we go. We'll get this on and take it from there. Give me a second. Okay, rubbing it through. Like I indicated previously, so now it works. So is the pump. So again, when you work these things and you don't, if you're not using it, don't leave it in idle. You'll burn out the pump. It gets hot real quick, and then you're going to be in this boat. So all said and done, about 60 bucks. You take it to a tractor place or lawnmower place, and they'll charge you $60 just for even bringing it in the door, and before they even diagnose what the problem is. So you're better off just buying a new pump and putting it in yourself. So we'll see you next time on Ray's Way.